So let's crack this thing. How should I do it? Alright, here we go. For now. Pop in and out, grabbing dinner with the wife. Hope you get some good pulls. Alright, cool. Thanks for dropping by, Casey. Hope we get to have some good dinner. Alright, here we go. Look at these. Also gotta thank Eric again for these. Alright. Let me know if you want me to just crack them all. Hey, Fred. So yeah, Voldemort. Let me know if you want to just me to crack them all, or just do them one box at a time. Welcome, Fred. All right. So first pack. Do I have any Yu-Gi-Oh sleeves besides these? I don't think so. Hello, busy, so he'll be in and out. All right, cool. Hope it's a good day though at work. All right, DD Swirl Slime, Void Cauldron, Time Thief, Temper Wall. All right, so nothing crazy out of the first pack. So since Jeff isn't really answering, I'll just open everything up and get all the packs out first. Hope you guys all doing good. Pack in there. Well, I'm just wondering if you want me to open them one at a time or all the boxes. I'm just opening all the boxes now. Listing your Digimon. Oh, okay, cool. I see you're multitasking. Making that money. Did you list your droplet? All right. All right, here we go. I opened one already, and you got Time Thief, Temper Wall. All right, second pack. Here we go. All right, let's all enjoy the show. Okay, Alien Ammonite, Heavenly Dragon. Oh, and we're starting off with an Aluber. My man. Second pack in, got an Aluber. Cool. Kind of pays for one mini display. Depends on how the price holds up. All right. Ghost Trick, So Cute Boss. Ghost Trick Spectre. And Sky Cavalry. What was that? Centauria. All right. Red Dragon Archfiend pack. All right. Vampire Kingdom. That looks pretty cool. What? Larage? The God of Archery. That looks really cool too. Elemental Hero Neos Kluger. All right. Continuing along. Here we go. That's one box. Here's a second box of Franz. Vampire Sorcerer. The card quality is pretty nice in this one. Fossil Machine, Skull Convoy. Chimera Tech, Fortress Dragon. Nice. That's a good reprint. Samsara Dragon, DD Swirl Slime, Dark Magician the Dragon Knight. Look at this thing. Whoa. Alright, some of these cards look pretty damn cool. Alright, so we got a Dark Magician Girl pack. Hope that means we get a Dark Magician Girl today. Wandering King Wild Wind, Yang Zing Brutality, Vision Hero Ferris, cool. See, Ghost Trick Jang Shing or Gets Going. See, wow, this mythical Shine Ball definitely looks like a ghost rare. It's not. Any ghosts? Nah, not yet. No ghosts yet. Ordering PF Chang, nice. We're coming to an end on his second box. Dark Contract with the Gate, Cupid Pitch, Protector of the Agent's Moon. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Infernity Sage, and Red Eyes Zombie Necro Dragon. Alright, here's his third box. What are you getting from PF Chang's? Fuck the Friends, Altergeist Fail Over, Boral End Dragon. Not a bad one. Malefic Cyber End Dragon, Ghost Trick Lantern. Let me sleeve your Boral End there. Alright, here we go. Baxia, Vampire Sorcerer, Dark Alligator, Insector Sword. Okay. Actually. Alright, here's a Blue Eyes pack. Getting a Blue Eyes would be great too. Alright, Infernity Pawn, Vision Hero Poisoner, Mystic Sand. Every time I see a fusion, I'm like, oh, is that a ghost? There's only one fusion ghost. Alright, so I know no link monsters are ghosts. So one spell and a bunch of effects and normal monsters. Ooh, nice. Haki Fibrax. This one is Voldemort's. So far he's pulling some pretty good non-ghosts. Let me know if you want me to open yours next, Brandon. Agent of Life. DMG preferably, yeah, of course. Nostradamus. What are you, a DJ? Well, let me know if you want me to open yours. Time Thief Temper Wall. Dark Contract with the Swamp King. Alright, Vision Hero Gravito Mathmech Edition. Oh my lord! Alright, you called it. You called it. We hit the first ghost. And it's the best ghost. It's the most expensive. And remember the ghosts, apparently they clump. So if you pull one, you probably pull the same thing after seeing a bunch of videos. So there's a little bit of foil shifting. That's also seems to be an issue if you see like there's like a little extra line on the right. But other than that, it looks good. It looks really good. Damn. Hey man, remember, if you were watching Ruxin's video, you can pull a lot of ghosts. There's a little bit of scuffing in the back if you see that. So I'll sleeve it now. All right. Look at that. Equals 3. Haven't hit Ndama yet. Wow, very nice. I mean, you already got a box. Just let me know if you want me to open yours next. All right, look at that. Hope it comes quick so you don't. All right, cool. All right, pull you a ghost, please. I'll try. So Jeff was the first ghost. 9 doing that, son. 10 Yi. And DD Vice Requiem. Very nice. Yeah, Dark Magician Ghost. Dark Magician Girl Ghost Rare. Heck yeah. First Ghost, Girl Ghost. And Crystal Beast, Rainbow Dragon. Heck yeah. Let's go. Red Eyes Black Dragon so you can rub it in Ruxin's face. And Shell Knight. Vision Hero Vion. Oh yeah. Let's get the hype going. Good pull. What's the chaser? This is the chaser. Dark Magician Girl right now. She's the most expensive ghost. Sandwich. And Vision Hero Ferris. You're looking at it. Alright, last pack of this display for Jeff. Or Voldemort, sorry. Nirvana High Paladin, Flint Kragger, and Necro World Banshee. Alright. So he did pretty good. Really good. But, you know.